Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Power the headphones on and hold the power button to enter pairing mode. A red and blue LED flashes to show pairing and connection status. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone and select JBL Tune 510BT from the device list. Use Bluetooth 5.0 on your phone for a stable wireless connection and reduced latency. Once connected, a single tone confirms pairing and the LED stops flashing, indicating the headphones are ready to play audio. Press the center button to play or pause audio and answer or end calls. Use the volume up and down buttons to adjust sound and hold them to skip forward or back tracks. The built-in microphone handles calls with one tap on the center control for hands-free conversation. Battery delivers up to 40 hours of playback on a full charge for extended use away from power. 5-minute quick charge provides about 2 hours of playback when you need power fast. Fully charge the headphones for about 2 hours before first use and to resolve charging issues. If audio stutters or disconnects, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repair the headphones to refresh the connection. Restart your phone and then power cycle the headphones if problems continue after repairing. Clean ear cushions with a damp cloth and avoid liquids reaching internal components to prevent damage. Store the headphones in a cool, dry place and avoid exposing them to extreme heat or moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.